Good morning to you all. I hope your weekend was what you hoped for. I know mine wasn't long enough. We have 3 topics today, and I will try to keep it short and simple, but no promises though. Also, before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We are grateful for your support.
You guys are the best.
To start it off, the Accredited by Representative course on May 9th and 10th is full. You guys were quick, and as promised, here's my notification about the 2 upcoming ABR courses.
It's about time.
We have a course on July 25th to the 26th, and a course on October 7th to the 8th. The time, instructor, location, credits, and cost, which is free by the way, are all the same. So go register before it's too late. Side note, if you make a reservation and do not show up to the class, an $100 no-show fee will be charged to your account. So don't say I didn't warn you.
What did you say?
One thing I didn't warn you about yet is, drumroll please, the Pikes Peak Region Open House Weekend.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes, the event is back and better. There is a drawing for a chance to win up to $500. So not only do potential clients get to check out these awesome homes, but they might win money while they're at it.
Free money!
It will be held on May 4th and 5th. More information will be on ppar.com, and that's also where attendees will need to go to download the Golden Key entry form for the drawing. We will be sure to keep you updated as more information comes out, so be sure to mark your calendars.
Yeah, I don't have that.
And while you're on your calendar, check to see if you're busy on March 13th, say around 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you aren't, you should register for the course, Purchasing with a Reverse Mortgage.
Get your reverse mortgages here!
Brady Mullins will help you position yourself as a trusted advisor for your potential clients' unique needs. So go register now in your member portal. Well, that's all I got for this week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.